There are those of you asking me whether I don't submit documents. Make up. It is a joke. It is a joke. They ask me whether I don't submit documents. Which one have I submitted? I have submitted document to UN. I went to UN. Last time I went to UN. I went to that Switzerland, that Geneva. I went there. I decree. I pray. I take Biafra flag. I tell them, say this Biafra flag must stay here. Whether you not like it or not, one day Biafra will come. I decree as one other authority. I decree as one other. I say this Biafra will come, whether you guys like it or not. I touch their wall. I stand on those flags. I say, I look at the around. I say Biafra flag must stay in this place one day, whether I like them or not. I say that powers will una hold. Say una no go let us go. One day una go let us go. I decree and I pray. If they ask me, say, which one are they do? Which one must I come out and be telling you what I am doing? Because you all are doing your own, coming out every now and then. Everybody know what you are doing. Must I come and be shouting online? And be okay? As soon as ask me that question, I confess. Confess. I say I can come bring that picture. Show that. I get video. Why video ram? Why they tell they say Biafra will come whether I like them or not. Only me they do them. So person why I go with come the video me. These are the joke. These are the joke for my people to be free. If they ask me questions, say, which one have you done? Me, I don't submit documents. You don't go UN. You never even go UN. Me, I don't go UN. Go submit documents. That document, I submitted that day. If you don't know now, I submitted that document that day. Why?